Everyday Mathematics. 21st question. If Mohit poured the water of both the bottles into the jug, then how many liters of water was poured into the jug? So first bottle has 2 liters of water, second bottle has 2 liters of water. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 liters. 4 liters of water poured into the jug. So option D is the right answer, children. 22nd question. Ruchi planted some plants in a garden. The number of plants planted by her is more than 340 and has 6 at the tens place. Which of the following cannot be the number of plants planted by her? So let's write the place values: hundreds place, tens place, ones place. So 6 at its tens place. And one more information is given. The plants planted by Ruchi are more than 340 and exact value we don't know. So let's check with the options: more than 340, 368, 568 and 864, but not 269. So option D is the right answer, children. 23rd question. The cost of a teddy bear is shown here. If Ronak bought 3 such teddy bears, then how much total amount did he pay in all? So 120 into 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So option C is the right answer. 24th question. An NGO rescued 152 stray animals in week 1 and rescued 73 less stray animals in week 2 than in week 1. How many stray animals were rescued by the NGO in week 2? So to find week 2, we have to subtract week 1 minus 73. So 152 minus 73 is 2 minus 3 will not go, take a borrow, it becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 1 went borrow, so it becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. So 79. Option B is the right answer, children. So 25th question. The given clock shows the time at which Soham started his dance practice in the evening. If he finished his dance practice at 7:15 p.m., then the duration of his dance practice is dash. On the clock it is showing 6:45. So the given time is 6:45. 7:15 minus 6:45. So let's count the minutes: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So option B is the right answer, 30 minutes. So 26th question. In a jungle race, 12 rabbits, 5 cats, 7 monkeys participated. How many total animals participated in the race? So let's add 12, 5 and 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 4, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 24 animals participated. Option D is the right answer. 27th question. The total weight of a bicycle and a toy car is 42 kg. If the weight of bicycle is 12 kg, then the weight of toy car is dash. Let's suppose bicycle B, toy car C. B plus C is equal to 42. Bicycle is given. B is equal to 12 kg. Let's substitute in the given equation. 12 plus C is equal to 42. C is equal to 42 minus 12. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 30 kg. Option B is the right answer. 28th question. Karthi made 350 decorative items in her summer vacation. Which of the following shows the number of items made by her? So 350. Option C is the right answer. 29th question. Varun saw the given painting in a shop. How many triangles Varun see in the painting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So B is the right answer. 30th question. Monica saw two trees in a garden. The difference between the heights of the given two trees is dash. So 7 and the smaller is 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 meters. So option B is the right answer. Fourth section, Achievers section. 31st question. The given pictograph shows the number of chairs bought by a company in the given 5 years. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. Statement B. There were dash more chairs bought in 2015 than 2018. Q. Total number of chairs bought in all the given 5 years is dash. So let's count the number of chairs. 2015 7, 2016 5, 2017 3, 2018 4, 2019 1. So 1 chair is equal to 10 chairs. Statement P is 2000 more chairs bought in 2015 than in 2018. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 1 chair is equal to 10. So 3 into 10 is equal to 30 chairs. Statement Q. Total number of chairs bought in all the given 5 years is dash. So 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 1 is 20. So 1 chair stands for 10. So 220 into 10 is 200 chairs. So option B is the right answer. 32nd question. Compare the following and select the correct option. So 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 2 ones. 432 plus 5 tens, 7 ones is 57. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 0 4. So 489. 3 hundreds, 5 ones is 305 plus 2 tens, 2 ones is 22. 5 plus 2 is 7. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 327. 489 is greater than 327. Statement B. 7 hundreds 5 ones minus 5 hundreds 2 tens 2 hundreds 8 tens plus 3 hundreds 5 ones can be written as 705 minus 520. 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 2 will not go, take a borrow. 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 went borrow, so it becomes 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 185. 2 hundreds 8 tens is 280 plus 3 hundreds 5 ones is 305. 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. 185 is less than 585. So option B is the right answer, children. 33rd question. Let's suppose 1 coat plus 1 shoe plus 1 jacket is equal to 740 rupees. 1 coat plus 1 coat plus 1 jacket is equal to 620 rupees. 1 shoe plus 1 jacket is equal to 590 rupees. So first equation, second equation and third equation. So let's subtract first and third equations. So here 1 shoe plus 1 shoe minus 1 shoe gets cancelled. 1 jacket minus 1 jacket gets cancelled. 1 coat is equal to 0 minus 0 0. 4 minus 9 will not go, take a borrow. 14 minus 9 is 5. 1 went borrow, it becomes 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 coat is equal to 150. Let's substitute in the second equation. 150 plus 150 plus 1 jacket is equal to 620 rupees. 1 jacket is equal to 620 minus 300, that is 320 rupees. Let's substitute 1 jacket value in third equation. 1 shoe plus 320 is equal to 590. 1 shoe is equal to 270 rupees. Let's substitute shoe in the given equation. So 270 plus 270 is 540. So option A is the right answer, children. Now 34th question, which of the following options shows the difference between the temperatures on both the thermometers? So in the first figure it is showing 61 degrees Celsius, in the second figure it is showing 49 degrees Celsius. So 11 minus 9 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, so 12 degrees Celsius. Option C is the right answer, children. 35th question, identify the 3-digit number using the given clues. The digit at tens place is the greatest one-digit odd number. So tens place is 9. The place value of the digit at hundreds place is 700. Hundreds place is 7. So the digit at ones place is less than the digit at tens place but more than the digit at hundreds place. So 8 is greater than 7 but less than 9. So 798 is the answer. So option C is the right answer, children. So for more videos, please subscribe my channel and stay updated. Bye, children.